Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be talking about tips to a glowing skin, tips to a popping skin, tips to a flawless skin, and it all depends on the skincare routine that you do. My name is OGOM'S, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, FCT, Nigeria. If this is a content that you would love, please keep watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share any of my videos, and please join my membership. Now let's get right into the video. So I come here with my lips popping, okay, and my lips is from Adbaria's Cosmetics. If you haven't placed order, please place order for your lippy. She sells different makeup products for which you would love, and we'll be getting right into the video immediately. Now there are two different types of skin that you should know if you fall under this category, which is the oily skin and the dry skin. I happen to fall under the oily skin. I have very oily skin. And something else you should know about skincare, there are people that don't even do the most and you will see their skin popping. Why some people still do the most and still yet the products are not giving them what they want, okay? Skincare products are very expensive. And for you to even find a skincare that suits your skin, you will know what you will do. So it's always advised that you do a skincare skin patch before you use any particular product. And if you happen to break out with any skincare products that you will get, you have to tone it down, or rather ditch that particular skincare, because you can't be having breakouts while you are trying out a new product. Now, these are the tips to a glowing skin that you should know. First of all, I have written some things down because it's always good to have a script. I have written some things down. Now, the first thing is SPF. Now, what is an SPF? An SPF is a sunscreen protection. How often do you make use of your sunscreen protection? Sorry about that. How often do you make use of your sunscreen protection? Do you even make use of sunscreen protection? Now, there are different types of sunscreen protection for which I'll be leaving on the screen. I have made use of Diasa. If I pronounce the name right, I've made it of Diasa, and which other one have I made use of? So right now, I'm making use of Pretty Cow Ray. So this is a Pretty Cow Ray. Okay, I got this from my my skincare plug, which is Sunscreen Organics, for which you can check out. They are my skincare plug, and her products are very budget friendly, okay, and it will definitely last for you. Now, how often do you make use of your sunscreen? So this is Pretty Cowrie, and it's SPF 90 plus. There are ones that are SPF 30, there are ones that are SPF 60. All these numbers that are there, it doesn't matter. All you need is for you to get a product that works for you. Now, some sunscreen needs you to reapply every 2 hours if you're outside, okay? If you're outside, make sure you reapply your skincare protection, and make sure that you apply your SPF daily. Make sure you apply your SPF daily for you to have that flawless skincare, okay? I got this for 3,500 naira. That is how much I got this, 3,500 naira, and there are different types. I have seen Gavia. I will leave so many of them on the screen for you to choose a particular one that suits your budget. But for this particular one, it's 3,500. Now, there are different sunscreen that you will get, and they will be leaving a white cast on your face. You will apply sunscreen like this and you'll be looking like masquerade. One part will be white, another part will be your skincare. So always make sure that you look out for the one that won't leave you a white cast on your face. So that is the first and foremost thing for which you need in order to get a glowing skin and a flawless skin. Now, number two is your vitamin C serum. Now, for me, the vitamin C serum that I have used so far, I was breaking out in all the skin with all this vitamin C serum. Now, the particular one that I'm using right now is this Dr. Rachel. Okay, I'm making use of Dr. Rachel right now, for which I tend to tone down, because when I started using it, I was breaking out. So I don't know if I have been using all this vitamin C serum wrongly, or I'm not applying it very well. I don't know, but whenever I make use of a vitamin C serum, I tend to break out. So vitamin C serum is very good for your skin if you get the right one that is okay for you. There are people that will make use of vitamin C serum and you will see their skin popping. Like, when I mean popping, their skin will be popping. So if you get a vitamin C serum that is very good for your skin, you will see your skin popping. And I got this for 3,000 naira. Was it 3,000 or 4,000? I got this for 4,000 naira, and so far so good. I have seen so many reviews about this particular vitamin C. Now, I made a complaint that I was breaking out with this particular vitamin C serum, and someone said I should get a gel-based vitamin C serum, not the oily one, because I have an oily skin, and applying another oil to my face might tend to break me out. And I noticed that this is gel-based, but still yet I'm breaking out with it. So I just kept it for a while to see what is really wrong with my skin. So get a vitamin C serum that is very good for you. So this is Dr. Rachel, and it's brightening and anti-aging face serum, and contains hyaluronic acid, anti-aging, brightening, firming, repair, protecting. So get you a vitamin C serum that is very good for your skin. There are so many types in the market, so get the one that is very good for your skin. The next tip for a glowing skin is scrubbing twice a week. Okay, if you're not exfoliating your skin, exfoliating or scrubbing, that's the same thing. So if you're not exfoliating your skin enough, it tends to leave dead cells on your skin, for which you don't need, because it won't allow your products that you're using to work what is supposed to work on your face. So make sure that you're scrubbing twice a week. Now for me, I make use of this brightening scrub, for which is from Sunscreen. Okay, I've been using Sunscreen for like going to 3 years now, and so far so good. I don't regret their products. I'll be leaving her name on the screen. So this is the scrub that I use. Oh my god, it smells so nice. So this scrub, I tend to use it twice a week. Okay, I might scrub my skin or my face on Wednesday, and I will also scrub my face on Saturday. So you can also apply this to your body. Any day that you're scrubbing your face, make sure that you also scrub your skin, your body, for the body and the face to be of the same color, because you can't be looking like Fanta and Coke, or Fanta Eru Coke. You can't be having that. So make sure that you scrub your skin twice now, another tip for a glowing skin is mask your face. Okay, after scrubbing your face, you will tend to mask your face, because when you finish scrubbing your face, you will tend to see all these red patches on your face. That is the time that you need to apply the next product, which is masking your face. Okay, we tend to have different masks in the market. Okay, and for which I use still some Glowimg face masks. Okay, this is a turmeric mask, and for you to mask your face, these are the benefits of masking your face. It exfoliates, it treats acne, it's a skin detox, and masking your face firms your face. It tightens your face. That is why you should always mask your face. It tightens and it exfoliates your skin the more, and it's also a skin detox when you mask your face. And this is another type for which I have. Okay, there are different types for which you can get in stores. This particular one, a subscriber gave it to me. So this is a face mask, a creamy coconut, for which you will apply on your face for like 10 to 15 minutes, and it's very good for your skin. Try as much as possible to mask your face. Any day that you scrub your face, make sure that you mask. Okay, there are also DIY masks for which you can do, the turmeric masks and the rest of them for which you can do, for you to be budget friendly. For this particular one, I think I got it for 3,000 naira from Sunscreen, and it's also doing the work. So make sure that you always mask your face after scrubbing, and that way you will have a glowing skin. Another thing for which you need to do in order to have a glowing face is for you not to be picking your pimples. Stop picking your face. Okay, if you have a pimple, don't go and be scrubbing it, or somebody will tell you, let me help you pop small, let me help you pop your pimple, it's already coming out, there is also white abo on it. Don't allow anybody bust your pimple for you. Don't allow yourself to be picking your face. Once you have a pimple, let it be. Don't go and be picking your face and be scratching your face. If you want to pat your face, just pat your face gently. Don't come and be doing it like Ndi Okada. God forgive me, I'm sorry for using that word. But treat your face with respect. This your face, because I go shock, because once somebody looks at you, now your face, they go first look before they go see your body. So stop picking your face, stop picking your pimples, stop scratching your pimple. Now, another tip for glowing skin is supplements. Which supplements are you taking for your body? Because it is what you feed your body, that is what your skin gives outer parts, but you need to treat the inner parts first. Now, there are different supplements for which you can get, which boils down to Reload. Okay, so this is a Reload women's formula, multivitamin, multimineral, and antioxidants, 24 fruits and veggies. That is what this supplement does. and it goes for, it's 30 tablets, and I got it for like I'll be leaving the amount on the screen, either 4,000 or 5,000 naira, but I'll be leaving the correct amount on the screen for which I got it. So Reload is also good for your skin. Vitamin C, 1000 mg, Primos. There are so many supplements that you need to take for your skin. And I also have this. So this is a vitamin C, and this product contains zinc, vitamin D3. It's also a beauty health, hair, skin and nails, and it's 120 capsules. I don't know if you can see it, 120 capsules, and this is it. So I got this for 9,000 naira. That is how much I got this, and it's 120 capsules, which will last me for 3 months if I'm taking it like once daily. Okay, you should treat your inner body. Yes, treat your inner body. If you're not taking your supplements, then how often are you eating your vegetables? How often are you drinking your smoothie? You need to take care of your inner self, because it's when you glow from the inner, that is what it will bring out on the outer. So drink your supplements, eat your veggies, drink your smoothie, drink your juices. Sometimes you detox your body, okay? I'm also talking to myself because I haven't been detoxing of recent. So you need to detox your body, drink your supplements, eat your veggies, drink your smoothie. That is another tip for you to have. Now, another tip for which we'll be talking about is water. How often are you taking your water, okay? The recommended water intake a day is 3 to 5 liters every day, and this is what I usually use in measuring myself. So this water bottle is 2-liter rubber, and I tend to finish it whenever I go to work. If you have a good toilet, or if you drink water, you go and wee. So, but if you're at home, if you are at home, make sure that you take your water. Water intake should be 3 to 5 liters every day. Even if you're drinking pure water, please increase the intake. Increase the intake. Water is very good for your body. If you're not taking enough water, you tend to have migraine, and you might just be thinking, now my village people, not be your village people, they do you. You need to take in your water. Okay? Another tip for a glowing skin is allowing your face breathe. You need to allow your face to calm down. All this that you are applying, I try as much as possible to make sure that my skin is popping. That's why you don't see me with makeup. In as much as I don't know how to make up, I try to have a very flawless skin. Sometimes you allow your face to breathe. Dish that makeup. I know some people tend to cover their face. Maybe they're dealing with acne or hyperpigmentation, but sometimes just tune it down. Let the makeup breathe. Let your face breathe. Sometimes all these products for which I have shown you, you don't even need it. If you allow your face to breathe, just watch it for 1 week, and you will see that your skin will also be popping. So sometimes allow your face breathe. Don't apply that makeup. Leave it. Carry your face like that to work. If your confidence level, if you're still dealing with your confidence level on your face, but sometimes allow your face breathe. Dish that makeup. Just do your normal skincare routine that you're doing and let it be. You will see yourself having that popping skin. The last tip for which you need to apply for your skin to be popping is taking your skincare routine very seriously. Be consistent with it. There are still people that are not doing the most and their skin is still popping. But if you know that you need to apply any skincare product for you to see the result, then be consistent with it. On Saturdays, bring out time for your skin. Do your scrubbing, do your mask, steam your face. Most importantly, I have a video on how to steam your face, for which I'll be leaving anywhere. Steam your face, scrub your face. Your face needs to be popping, like popping. Take your skincare routine very seriously. Be consistent with it, and you will see that skin glow popping. So these are the tips for which I know for a glowing skin. If you have any opinion or any suggestion added to this topic for which I have already laid out, please drop it in the comment section. Let's learn, okay? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Join my membership, okay? Click on the subscribe button, give me thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. And if this is a video that you love and you want me to create more content around this, please drop in the comment section, and I will see you guys. Bye.